ତୁମେ ଏଠି କାହିଁକି ଅଛ? Why are you here? Why are you here? ତୁମେ ଏଇଟା କେମିତି କଲ? How did you do it? How did you do it? ସେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଗଲେ? Where did he go? Where did he go? ସେ ମୋ ସହିତ କଥା ହେଲେନି। He did not talk to me. He did not talk to me. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ କିଛି କହିନି। I did not tell him anything. I did not tell him anything. କାହା ସହିତ ଚାଟ୍ କରୁଥିଲ? Whom were you chatting with? ଏମିତି ବି କହିପାରିବା with whom were you chatting? ସେ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣିଲାନି। She did not listen to me. She did not listen to me. ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କ ସହ କଥା ହେଉଥିଲି। I was talking to her. I was talking to her. ତୁମେ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିବ କି? Will you come to me? Will you come to me? ତୁମ ମୋବାଇଲ କିଏ ନେଲା? Who took your mobile? Who took your mobile? ତୁମେ କାହାକୁ ପଇସା ଦେଲ? Whom did you give the money? Whom did you give the money? ମୋତେ ସକାଳୁ ଉଠେଇ ଦିଅ। Wake me up in the morning. Wake me up in the morning. କୁହ କେବେ ଯିବା? Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go. ଖାଇବା ବହୁତ ଗରମ ଅଛି। The food is very hot. The food is very hot. ତୁମକୁ ଅଧିକ ଖାଇବା ଉଚିତ ନାହିଁ କିମ୍ବା ତୁମକୁ ଅଧିକ ଖାଇବା କଥା ନାହିଁ। You should not eat much. You should not eat much. ମୋ ମନରେ କୌଣସି ସନ୍ଦେହ ନାହିଁ। There is no doubt in my mind. There is no doubt in my mind. ମୁଁ ଏହା ନିଜେ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to do it myself. I want to do it myself. ତୁମେ କୌଣସି କାମକୁ ନାହିଁ। You are good for nothing. You are good for nothing. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ସହିତ ଆସିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନି। I don't want to come with you. I don't want to come with you. ଯାହା ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେଉଛି କର। Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. ନିଜ ଭୁଲ ସ୍ୱୀକାର କର। Admit your mistake. Admit your mistake. ଏଠି କାହିଁକି ଛିଡ଼ା ହୋଇଛ? ଏହି ବାକ୍ୟର ଇଂଲିଶ ଆପଣ କମେଣ୍ଟସରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ। Thank you so much for watching.